Hello everyone, welcome to Web3 Education and Investment. And so today in this video, I would like to share the good news. The Encounter Phase is now live for the Minswap. So you can redeem your purrADA for LP tokens now. So as usual, I'm going to demo how you can do that. So if you watch my previous video, you should already know how to get those purrADA. If you haven't done that yet, then you miss that phase. But don't worry, in the future you can still get the LP token. So I already did that. So now I'm going to go connect the link. Now you can see that once you connect the once you go to that website, you can see the token you have, my purrADA. Now I have 100 of them. And so in order to convert that into the LP token, you need to send those purrADA and plus 3 ADA to them. And then they are going to return you 2.5 ADA plus the LP token. And so they have the redeem. So I just click the redeem. It's going to ask you sign the transaction. So I'm going to sign that. So this is my wallet. Make sure you... Okay, so now it's submitted. And you can go to your wallet, and it should take a little bit time. Should not be too long. I think maybe 1 minute could be. And then you will get your LP token. So you should do that in 7 days now. Okay, so this is the second phase, the Encounter phase. So I will go to the wallet, and I just wait a few minutes. So now you can directly see the result. So the result here, actually you can see one NFT. So this is one Minswap NFT. Please don't sell that. From their Discord, I can also show you the announcement. They said the NFT will be used to boost yield farming rewards, and it's tied to the wallet. So you should not sell that NFT. And so just keep that, and let's wait for the next phase. Thanks for watching. If you are new to this channel is a Web3 education investment, and we will also show you how to use those DeFi, and we'll provide the tutorial for the educational purpose. Thanks for watching. Bye.